Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind.
Hello, thank you for watching our video. We're gonna do a video about
Balikbayan box.
these are boxes that you fill up full of stuff and ship over to the Philippines. We'll get you the exact size on this one. This is the jumbo box or large box or what they call it, but this is the company that we're currently using. We have a great lady that comes straight to our house, and they pick up the box and transport them up to Chicago to the port and put them on the give them to this shipping company, and they ship them over to us, and we send them over to our mom over there, and she gets them at work, nice and easy. And this is the only thing that we really have to move this time. Typically we send these over full of stuff for other people, but which we're doing a little bit of that as well today, but some of the stuff is going to be our stuff that we're shipping over in this particular video, because we're going over there to stay. We can't cost too much to ship, like furniture and TVs and all our stuff in the house, so that stuff will stay here, but little stuff that we want over there that we don't think we can get over there, or something to that effect, we'll take and send over in these boxes. Today we'll probably do a couple of these boxes, we think, because of the amount of stuff that we have here. But let us show you a little bit of some of the stuff that we're going to... Okay, we're going to show you some of the stuff that we are putting into this box. A little different than normal because we're putting stuff for us in there. And also stuff for other people. I'll let my wife show you a few of the things.
This one, Irish Spring, Marbel, it's for you. And this one too.
Deodorant, spray deodorant, because I like it the best. And it's hard to find.
A lot in there.
Yeah.
He needs it. These are the seasoning.
Where's that from?
Steak and Shake.
One of our favorite restaurants to go to, and it's their seasoning that they have for the fries and stuff. And we like it, and no, we can't have it over there. So.
Toys.
And we bought a bunch of toys that we can give to the kids. Want to give to other kids, their friends and stuff over there that don't have toys. So we have a huge box of toys.
See it over here.
see that we're mostly full here. I'll take a few minutes topping it on off with some little stuff here in a minute. But we put a big dent in what we have going, but definitely need another box. But it was a good start, and we'll finish topping this off, and then we'll show you after we get it taped up kind of what it looks like that way. So I just wanted you to see what a bala box looks like.
Balikbayan.
What?
Balikbayan.
Balikbayan, which means it's for the people to send stuff back to their family, or something to that effect.
People who
Go out of the
from
country.
there sent to their family.
Right. Like a
It's
care,
the name of
care box.
people. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We're still working.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mercy. Just picking up Mercy's 3 boxes today. I know it's early, but
Yeah.
we're from Atlas Shippers. We work for food.
Rita and
Danny.
yeah.
Hector. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content.
Please leave a comment.
Like this video.